Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody asked me a pretty good question. They're trying to do this, and I've never really thought about it this way, but if we take this circle or ellipse that is already converted to a curve, and we go to the Windows Dockers in properties and hit this right here, this length of this curve is 37.70. But we want this number to be an even amount. Okay, so let's say we want it to be 40. So what we do is get out a calculator and go 40 divided by 3.14159, which is pi, and it needs to be 12.7324. And I think we can do this right here by copying this, grabbing this, and with our ratio lock, paste it, and hit enter. Now, if we go to the circle, it is, and I didn't extend it out, but that's close enough. I mean, that's 40.005. So we take a 1/2 inch ellipse, 0.5, and I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to go in and hit T to put it to the top of the page. Then I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to grab my ellipse, and I'm going to move it right to the quadrant or the center. Then if we go, and you could control D it, but if we go back to Windows Dockers and back open up or go to the transformation Docker and the rotation, I've already figured it out. You know, if you take 360 divided by 40, divided by 80, because of the fact that there's going to be 80 of these little circles. So 40 divided by 80, or excuse me, 360 divided by 80. 360 divided by 80 is 4.5 degrees. So if we go 4.5 degrees times 79, whenever Corel says copies, we've already got one, we need 80, so we only need 79. And in that fast, it's, okay, what I didn't do is move the center of rotation to the center. I'm going to use my new hotkey, Control C, and then do it. And it's going to rotate around the center this quick. Then you can take away your curve, and just to kind of prove that that these lines are actually touching. I don't think he'd want to maybe do this, but we could take and weld them. And if they're touching, they're going to weld and leave a little spot between them. And if we look, that welded and it took away that line. And it's really the first part of the question is how to make the circumference an even number. Okay? I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.